Okay, here we go. Round 10. Leaf autograph jersey, Tristar autograph mini helmet. Round 10. This will be the final helmet of the case of Tristar. There's 10 in a case. This will be the second jersey from the new case. There's only 8 in a case. The jersey. Good luck. Here we go. All 32 teams in. We're going to hit the randomizer 2 times. Zekman on top, 19, Arcuri 81 on the bottom. 1, 2, Arcuri up top, Mukiroro on the bottom. Teams, Niners up top, Vikings on the bottom. 1, second and final hit, cross fingers, hold winners. Gulak. 2, Cowboys and Eagles. Let's see what we got here. Arcuri, Cowboys, Seahawks, Jets, and Niners. Ben and Hines, Chiefs, Jags, and Bengals. Bishi, Bills, Falcons, Packers. D-Mac, the Bucks. Ed Reed, Titans. J. Addison, Ravens. JWTB 22, Cardinals. Leyen Decker, Panthers. Maki Chris, Broncos, and Dolphins. Mookie Roto, Eagles. Mora 86, Colts, Lions, Raiders. Puddles the Doom, Redskins. R.A. Tolley, Bears, Browns, Saints, Giants. Say No to Racism, Texans. Scotchy, the Vikings and Rams. T-Live, the Steelers and Chargers. And Zekman, the Patriots. There you go. Start trading. What you want? We'll break it shortly.